Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill.
YouTube family, what's up? We're gonna do this again, y'all. We're gonna make us a classic patty melt video, and we're gonna toss some bacon on this here. Y'all do me a favor and watch this till the end, because you're gonna definitely love this easy and simple recipe. The first thing I'm gonna do, I got 1 onion, and I just want to take this onion and slice this baby up. I want to make some good slices for our patty melt, and we're gonna go to the next step after that. I have my cast iron skillet on high heat, and I just want to melt some butter because we're gonna toss these onions, and we want these onions to brown up. But while we're browning them up, take you some hamburger seasoning. You can make up your own hamburger seasoning and just put it on those onions and just mix these babies up. So as you can see, I got me some nice crispy bacon with some white American cheese, and our onions are now done. And from there, we're gonna go ahead and get prepared for the next step. In this same skillet, I turned my heat down to medium-high heat, and I want to melt some unsalted butter, and I'm using some Pepperidge Farm brioche bread, and I want to brown both sides of this here bread, and then once they are brown, I want to move them to the side. So I'm adding bacon grease to this skillet, and then I want to take my patty and go ahead and start cooking this baby up. So I have me a hamburger press. If you don't have a hamburger press, you could definitely use a spatula and take you something to press down on it. That'll give you a nice press on your hamburger patty as well. We want to form a nice crust on this here, and the iron skillet does a phenomenal job. Now I'm going to take me some hamburger seasoning and just go ahead and sprinkle right on top, and then from there I want to flip this baby, and then we're going to go ahead and dress our sandwich up, y'all. Don't go nowhere, stick to the end. So I switched my skillet to a non-stick skillet, and I turned my heat down to medium-low. Now I want to go ahead and build this sandwich. So I put the first layer of bread down along with that American white cheese, and then I want to take some of those nicely toasted grilled onions and put it right on top of that. And then once I get my onions on here, I want to go ahead and place my patty right on top of the onions. And then I want to go ahead and place my bacon right on top of the patty, and then come back around and slap it with another piece of that white American cheese, and then top it with that top layer toast. And then I want to melt this baby until the cheese melt, and then it's time to snack down, y'all. You hear what I'm saying? It's time to go. Ray Mack style, baby. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button right now and become a Ray Mack's family member. Oh, it's looking so good. I had to prepare 4 of these for the family. Let me ask you a question. How do you like your patty? Do you like it well done? I like mine medium well. And I'm telling you something right now. This is a recipe that you have to try. Trust and believe me, it's easy, it's simple, it's quick, and it is so freaking delicious. Y'all, when I say this thing is delicious, it hit the spot. Try this here recipe out. And I want to say thank you so much for watching this here video. Like and subscribe. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.